In the past couple of years, AI videos went from looking like this to this. In 2025, we saw massive releases. VO3, Kling AI, and even free platforms quietly becoming insanely powerful. And just like with lip sync tools, one big problem emerged: too many options and not enough clarity. Some free generators don't get enough hype, yet they quietly outperform most paid tools. So in today's video, I'm breaking down AI video generation tools that are actually worth using going into 2026, both free and paid. If you're a creator, freelancer, agency owner, or building faceless content, this video will help you stop guessing and start choosing wisely. Here's how I'm judging each platform. For an AI video generator to be worth it in 2026, it needs to check at least 3 of these 4 boxes. Motion realism: does it feel alive or robotic? Prompt control: can you actually direct the output? Consistency: can you generate multiple clips that match? Commercial licensing: can you sell what you create? With that in mind, let's start with the free tools. If you want the best free image-to-video generator right now, it's hard to beat LM Arena. LM Arena is an open-source, community-driven platform for accessing, exploring, and evaluating leading AI models. It functions as a public battle arena, where users compare AI outputs and vote for the better response to create a dynamic, human preference-based leaderboard.
On the left was the original image, and I am the output. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers.
LM Arena quietly became a go-to tool because it's fast, free, and produces surprisingly clean motion. Here's why it's worth using. It's great for subtle camera movement, solid facial animation, very easy workflow, and no complicated setup. This makes it perfect for UGC product videos, talking avatars, simple cinematic shots, testing prompts before going paid. Some of its limitations are short clip lengths, limited control over advanced motion, and branding appears at the end of each clip, though it's easy to trim off. LM Arena is a must-use free tool, especially for beginners and rapid testing. The second free tool that's worth it is VO 3.1 via the Flow platform. If you want cinema-level visuals without paying up front, VO 3.1's free access via Flow is incredible. Even on the free tier, VO delivers natural camera motion, realistic lighting, depth, and atmosphere most tools can't touch. VO is best for cinematic shorts, AI documentaries, high-end UGC visuals, and establishing shots. Here are some clips I made with VO that look so natural and real you wouldn't know it's AI.
Let's go on an African safari.
Now, just like everything in this life, VO has some limitations. Here are some trade-offs. The free version gives you 100 credits per month, which generates 5 videos on the standard version. And even on the paid tier, you don't get unlimited generations. VO requires good prompting skills to get your desired results. All in all, if you want to understand where AI video is actually headed, VO 3.1 is absolutely worth experimenting with, even for free. Sora deserves a mention, but with context. Sora excels at creative interpretation, visual storytelling, atmospheric scenes, but it struggles with consistency, especially character consistency. It also struggles with repeatable results, no matter how detailed your prompt is. Not to mention, it's only available in very limited countries as of the making of this video. That might change in the future. All in all, Sora is great for creative inspiration, not ideal for production work. Now let's talk about tools actually worth paying for. If I had to pick one paid AI video tool for 2026, it would be Kling AI. Kling hits a rare balance because it offers strong realism, good prompt adherence, stable outputs, and commercial usability. Why Kling stands out for its smooth camera motion, consistent characters, and strong image-to-video performance. This makes it ideal for client work, UGC ads, brand visuals, social media content. Kling AI is one of the safest long-term investments in AI video generation. Seedance shines where most tools fail: human movement. It handles body language, idle motion, gestures, and talking head realism better than almost anything else right now. Its best use cases are educational videos, presenters, digital hosts, and explainers. If your content involves people talking or presenting, Seedance is absolutely worth the price. Runway Gen 4.5 isn't just a generator, it's a creative control center. Where Runway excels the most is in scene refinement, motion control, video composition, and hybrid AI workflows. It's not the most realistic generator, but it's one of the most powerful creative tools. One major downside to using the model is that it primarily works on an image-to-video basis, requiring an initial input image to establish the visual starting point. Your text prompt then focuses on describing motion and camera movement. I would argue that Runway is best used with other generators, not instead of them. You can use Nano Banana to generate high-quality images that you then feed to Runway. If you're serious about premium AI video generation in 2026, Veo sits at the top of the list. Unlike many tools that treat motion as an add-on, Veo was designed for motion, depth, and realism from the ground up. Here's what makes Veo worth investing in: true cinematic motion. Veo doesn't just animate still images. It creates believable camera movement, subtle push-ins and pull-outs, natural parallax and depth, smooth transitions between frames, and consistent focus and lighting, realistic physics and timing. Veo's renders have quality that most paid tools struggle to match. Real shadows and lighting interactions, body shifts and posture changes that feel natural, even background elements have believable motion. This is why short films, branded storytelling, and cinematic explainer videos look so strong when created with Veo voice motion sync. While Veo isn't a pure lip sync engine, it does handle synchronized audio with visuals much better than most generators, thanks to integrated audio handling, voice timing baked into motion, less need for separate lip sync tools. Best use cases for Veo 3 are client commercials, documentary-style content, digital influencers, long-form narrative pieces, and high-end product films. I've made some decent films with it. Here's an example. This is where Veo outshines almost every other tool in existence. Some of its limitations or things to know include cost is higher than most consumer tools, especially when you compare cost per generation. It's more technical, but worth mastering. To get good shots with Veo, you need decent prompting skills. All in all, if you want premium, human-level motion and cinematic quality, Veo is absolutely worth paying for in 2026. Free tools are perfect for learning, testing, prototyping, and personal projects. Paid tools become necessary when clients are involved, deadlines matter, quality expectations rise, and commercial licenses are required. The smartest move isn't choosing one, it's knowing when to upgrade. AI video generation isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. And in 2026, creators who win won't be the ones chasing every new tool. They'll be the ones mastering a small, powerful stack. If this breakdown helped you make smarter choices, hit the like button. Subscribe for more real AI workflows and comment below which AI video tool is a must-have in 2026. I'll see you in the next one.